Hi, Alice. Hi, everybody. I just want to say, Alice, thank you so much for everything that you've done for me since 2008 when I started with HUD as an intern. I just really appreciate all the words of encouragement that you've given me, all your the times that you've prayed for me and with me. I just thank you so much, and I really appreciate it. I want to say good luck to you in your retirement. I really, really wish I could be there with you all today, but I'm so far, far away. Excuse the attire. I am teleworking today. But I just want to say thank you. Thank you so much for everything. Good luck to you. God bless you. I miss you. I miss you all. Who knows what the future holds? So we'll see. But I thank you all so much for adding this video. Um, Again, thank you. Love you. I appreciate you. Good luck. Have fun.